Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood garage, and if you're looking to upgrade your welding helmet or you're looking to get your first welding helmet, look no further than the innovative Panoramic Welding Helmet. So not only do we have the normal darkening lens in the front, this helmet now has two side windows which also darken. So if you get into an area where you can't quite turn the whole helmet, such as a tight area under the car, as long as you can look out of the corner of your eye, you'll still be protected. And also it's going to have true color view. So instead of seeing that green hue that you're used to seeing in welding helmets, this is going to give you a more lifelike view of the actual metal that you're welding with. It's got a lot of great features and easy to use control knobs on top. Let's go ahead and take a look at what they actually control. So this helmet is going to be able to darken between shade 4 and all the way up to shade 12. So if you're doing plasma cutting, turn it down, it'll still darken and keep you protected. If you're doing high amperage welding, kick it up to 12, and again, it's going to darken exactly where you want. It's also going to have a sensitivity knob, and it's also going to have a delay knob, so you can get it to make sure it darkens when you need it to and stay dark for as long as you want it. Another great feature of this helmet is it also has a grind mode. So when you're done laying down all your welds and you want to go ahead and grind them, but you don't want to lose the protection of having the full face mask on, you can go ahead and kick it into grind mode. The unit won't darken, so you can see exactly what you're doing. Let's go ahead and take a look inside this helmet. Inside here, you'll see the 3 large viewing areas. You'll see the 2 user replaceable batteries and the ergonomically designed headgear to make wearing this helmet very comfortable. As you guys can tell, the main viewing window on this is much larger than a conventional helmet, about the same size as our XL welding helmet with the addition of the 2 side panels. And don't forget, it also has the true color technology, so you're going to see the metal in a way you've never seen it before and not that green hue you're used to. For this helmet or any other product to do the job right, visit Eastwood.com.